Hello, I'm Caitlin Ledoux, a student team member in the Marist College Center for Career Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for opportunities in the Handshake app. To begin, let's open the Handshake app. You can download the Handshake app for free on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. First, the app will bring you to its home feed. Click on Jobs on the bottom bar. Then the app will give you recommended postings you can scroll through. If you have a position or industry in mind that you would like to work in, click on the search bar to type in the information. You will get a list of results that include the position's title and company. You can also see if the position is part-time or full-time, paid or unpaid, if it's on-site or remote, and the job type. To sort through the results, click on the three lines in Sort and select what you would like to sort. You can get more specific by selecting the circled text below the search bar. Scroll to the right for more options. You may also click on the bookmark icon to save the posting. You can access your saved postings by clicking on the saved icon at the bottom right of the page. Note that some recommended postings may give you the option to apply at an external link to the company's website or career pages. Other postings might have a quick apply option where you just attach and submit your resume through Handshake. If you are searching for an internship in Handshake, open the Jobs page, scroll to the right under the search bar and select Internship. You can choose how the listings are sorted and add any more specifications by selecting specific search filters. To apply, click on the position and read over the information and hit Apply. Note that this application is just asking for my resume, but others might request a cover letter, portfolio, or any additional documents. When you upload the file, I suggest that you preview it before you submit it as part of your application. Please note that after you have applied for the position, any documents that you have uploaded will be looked at by a Career Services team member. To find a job, start at Handshake's Jobs page. Under the search bar, you can scroll to the right to part-time or full-time job, or select Type of Role, scroll up to Job Type, and select Job. Search for results and make any specifications from Sort or Filters. Select the fields that interest you, look through additional information, and apply. Add any documents they request and submit your application. Suggest that you apply to any positions you are interested in as soon as you can. In conclusion, you can search and filter for opportunities through Handshake and apply for internships, jobs, and on-campus jobs. If you have any questions, please email career.services@marist.edu. We wish you luck in your search.